Dhanashree and I have my teammate Aarti with me, and we are here to demo our project on big data analysis and visualization. We have selected mental health in United States as our topic for data collection for this project. We have fetched data from Twitter, NY Times, and Common Crawling using subtopics such as post traumatic stress disorder, anxiety disorder, bipolar disorder, clinical depression, and hyperactivity disorder. We have cleaned the collected data by removing URLs, emoticons, punctuations, numbers, and stopwords from it. Finally, we have performed stemming and lemmatization on the data. The processing and visualization part will be explained by my teammate.
Hi, I'm Aarti. I will walk you through our HDFS setup, our mapper reducer implementation, and our word clouds. For HDFS, we have used Cloudera Quick Start. We have installed a VMware on our local machines and mounted the Cloudera Quick Start image on top of the virtual machine. The Quick Start image comes pre-installed with HDFS and Python. So now I'll just walk you through the demo for how we implemented our phases. I have my code folder in my local machine. It contains the mapper reducers and my input file. I will copy the code folder onto my VM directly using the Control C command. I'll paste it here using Control V. I've pasted it inside the Cloudera home/Cloudera path. Now, to run the mapper, I will copy my input file from inside the code folder into the HDFS file structure. Now I will run my mapper and reducer for a simple word count. And I will write the output file to the output directory. It has written the file to the output directory. Now I will use the command to get the file out of the HDFS directory into my Cloudera home folder. Now I can see my file here. I will rename it to a text file, output word count.txt. I will copy this file from my virtual machine into my local machine and paste it inside my demo folder. I will now set it up in Tableau. I will add a new data source, which would be this text file. I now have the words and their respective counts. I will create a new sheet. My F1 would be my label. F2 would be my attribute. It's taking it as a sum. I need it to be just an attribute, so I will change that. I will set this to text. And I now want just the top 10, so I'll set a filter on F1 and I will set it to top 10 apply. And just for some formatting, I will just use color for my labels. So this is the word cloud for the word count. I will now run the command for my mapper and reducer co-occurrence. So I'll come back to my terminal. I will run the co-occurrence code, and I will write it to another directory called output wc. It has written the output file. So I will use the get command again, and I will change the output directory because I've created a new one for word co-occurrence, and I will copy it to my Cloudera home folder. It has copied it. Now I can see the file here. I will rename it. co-occurrence.txt. I will copy this file to my machine. Paste it. Now I will create a word cloud for this. So I will add a data source, text file, select the respective file. Now since this is a co-occurrence and we are printing the words with the comma, so I will change the text file properties and set the field separator to tab. I now have the co-occurring pair and its respective count. I will come to a new sheet. This pair will be my text. The number would be my size. I want it to be an attribute, not a sum. I want this to be a text format because I want it to show as a word cloud. And I will set a filter to the top 10. And I will set color to my label. And this is my word cloud. In this way, we have created multiple word clouds. We have developed a web page for our analysis, and I refresh it. It has a drop down where you can select your source. If you select Twitter, it will show you the comparison of a subset and a superset of our data. For Twitter, our subset would be 1 day of tweets collected and superset would be 7 days. And we are comparing the top 10 and top 100 word counts and word co-occurrence pairs. And we have done the same comparison for NY Times and Common Crawl. So this is our demo for the project Lab 2. Thank you.